Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable Face ID for password AutoFill on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to your settings app on your phone. Now just scroll it down and find the Face ID and passcode. When you see it, just tap it. If you have a passcode, you have to enter your passcode first. Now you just have to turn on Face ID for specific items only. As you can see, my iPhone unlock is enabled, but my iTunes and App Store is disabled. So here I'm gonna enabling my password autofill. Just tap on the toggle next to password autofill here. And to disabling, do the same way. Just tap on the toggle next to password autofill. And yeah, that's all guys. Well, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.